Hello and good day everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm Simple Daddy. First of all, I wish everyone stay safe and take care during this hard period. In this video, I'm going to teach how to make a video easily. So the app that I'm going to use is called Imovie. Imovie is an app that developed by the Apple to enable every user to create a movie easily. So it can be used for your personal vlog, travel blog, some product introduction, and as well as you can make any story for your video. So without further ado, let's jump to the screen. Click on iMovie, create project, click on movie and enter into gallery to select the clips that we want to make a story. In this video, I would like to share my toy bike as story. Select all the relevant clips and press create movie, and all the clips has been transported into iMovie storyline. Next, go to the setting icon to select project, filter, theme, and some video setting for the movie. Turn on the theme music, fade in from black at the beginning of the video and fade out to black at the end of the video. Please remember to turn on speed change pitch. This will enable speed at the clip change automatically according to the background music, which is able to create nice effect to the viewers. We are moving forward to adjust the audio or music of this video. Click on the audio waveform and click the volume icon and adjust the triangle view keyframe forward. This is to enable the music starting from low volume to desired volume in this timing. Personally, I do not like loud music in my storyline, therefore I will adjust it to approximately 65% of the volume. I do not want my viewer distracted by the background music instead of focusing on my story. We also can adjust the speed of the clip. I'm going to slow down my first clip to 50% and speed up my second clip to 175%. Transition between these two clips to be removed to make a smooth transition. Let's review the clips. As you can hear, those are background noise from the clips. We need to remove or silence those noises. Select the clip, click on Action and select Detach Audio. Select the audio of the clips and go to the volume icon. Pull the audio bar all the way to 0%. Repeat these steps for few clips and let's see the result. Isn't it more clear and better now? Continue to do those steps for all the clips because I do not want those background noise in this story. So far so good on the progress. We are coming into editing the transition for clips to make them look nicer. I'm usually removing transition for beginning and ending of the clips. After that, I will randomly select the transition that I want at any clips. I do not plan for it because I like surprise. Trust me. The result will be surprising you. There are some transitions available for iMovie, so just randomly select those and put it into the storyline. It is an option to turn on the sound, but I prefer it to be off. Click Done and your video is ready for review. really easy to make a video using iMovie. I hope you could practice more using this app and create more story, encouraging and inspiring story to the society and to the world during this hard period. If you like this video, please share and subscribe so more people able to see this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. See you. Bye bye. Please take care.